Hey, how's everybody doing? This is not financial advice. I gotta get that disclaimer in there. Dude, I don't know if you guys have heard, but the SEC is just on a rampage, man. This guy on Twitter, you could look up the story. It's on Yahoo Finance. But the SEC has been cracking down on people on Twitter. This one guy, Alex, right? He has, I think, 50,000 followers. He's been on since 2016. He started, and he tweets about penny stocks. He tweets about investing. Anyways, they froze his assets. They got an injunction to look at all his communications. They hit him with wire fraud. They hit him with market manipulation. I mean, dude, this is a guy on Twitter. Do you know how many people are on the internet just chatting about what they're doing for the day, what their investment strategies are, what's in their portfolios? I mean, it's pure insanity. But Nancy Pelosi's husband has an investing, whatever firm, right? And they buy and sell huge amounts of stock, and according to what bills and laws get passed or don't get passed. I mean, that's insider trading. That's worse than just having 20 people buy a penny stock, dude. And the thing is, this Alex dude, he wasn't even doing that. He wasn't having a bunch of people buy a certain stock. They would talk about, they would do a technical analysis. This is what every single investing group does. It's really scary, because you know what I mean? They're after the little guys, man. This government, this administration, they're after the little guys like you and guys like me. And you need to be really careful what you say, because they will take things out of context and they will bury you, man. They'll take everything you have. I really am scared, man. It's a really, really scary thing, man. Hey, have you guys seen the crazy pump that Hoge is on, man? Yo, I'm happy. I'm happy I held my Hoge bag, I'm telling you, man, with the Shiba pump, and now I think Hoge is following suit, The only thing, Shiba has the Shiba swap. They have a little more technical stuff going on, a little more functionality than Hoge has right now. But if we get some really good developers in the Hoge core team, I feel like we could really bring Hoge ahead. I think it could definitely beat Shiba. I think we're gonna blast out that last decimal. That's what we've been trying to do for a while. We almost were at it, what was it, in February? But I really think that it's gonna happen at the end of this year. This is not financial advice, but I'm banking on it, man. When we were down a decimal, man, I bought quite a bit more Hoge. So, hey, you know what I mean? I get some of your comments like, where was Crypto Mafia? This guy hiding out. He's hiding out. He's hiding under his blankets. Cause you know what I mean? No, I wasn't hiding, man. I wasn't hiding. I was working. I had to do some. I had to get the real job and the real life in order. You know what I mean? But but when Hoge rips to the moon, I'm hopping in my my Lambo and I'm out. You know what I mean? No more work for your boy. So, El Salvador's president, he was making kind of like a mandatory thing where stores have to mandatory accept Bitcoin. I don't know. I haven't done enough research. I don't know if when you buy a soda, you're going to use Bitcoin. I mean, like, how exactly are these working? These wallets, are they government-run wallets? I see a lot of room to get hacked, man. I mean, I don't know if I would trust the El Salvadorian government with my crypto wallet. I mean, or like, I don't know. You know what I mean? If you guys know, I'd really like to know. Maybe one of you guys shoot me an email or something, exactly how it works. Because I can't seem to get a clear answer what the protocol is. Because everybody says Bitcoin. But like, how are they using Bitcoin for small transactions with the fees and the time it takes? It doesn't seem to be jiving with me, And is it? Do they call it Bitcoin? But it's some kind of like government, some kind of government digital currency. Because that's completely screwy. Because these government currencies, they don't even make sense. They're not deflationary. They could just hit the button and make more and more and more and more. It's the same thing as printing dollars. So, you know what I mean? I don't know if I like that idea of El Salvadorian president saying, you all got to take Bitcoin. Is it even really Bitcoin? I'm not sure. I got to look into it, you know? Hey, did you guys hear that China is floating the idea of allowing people to mine Bitcoin again? After all this freaking stuff, and they said no more mining Bitcoin in China, and then now they're floating the idea, oh, let's mine Bitcoin again. You know the Chinese government, they're one of the biggest bag holders of Bitcoin. Massive, massive amounts. You know what it sounds to me? Sounds like manipulation of the Bitcoin. You know what I mean? China is known for currency manipulation. That's what they do. They've been known for buying, defunct American businesses, propping them up with bologna, pumping the stock, selling it. I mean, this is well known, well documented. Many, Communist Party members have been in big trouble in the United States because of phony businesses, on the stock exchanges, and they make tons of money, and they're all linked to the Communist Party. This is well known, well documented. And when they say, oh, no more mining Bitcoin, you think all the miners across China, you think they didn't have ties with the Communist Party? They did. Wake up, people. Wake up, man. And now they're saying, well, I don't know, we're going to float the idea of letting these guys mine Bitcoin again. Well, you know what? And then in a year, they're going to say, no more mining Bitcoin so the price can go down. And then they're going to say, oh, we'll mine it again so the price can go up. And all they're doing is buying and selling and buying and selling and buying and selling and transferring money out of other countries' pockets and other countries' coffers into China's coffers. China has a 20-year plan of world domination. That's dominating markets. This isn't just invading and having us all speak Mandarin. It's about running the businesses around the world. And in China, an American can't go to China and have a company. We can't own a company in China because we're not native Chinese people, right? In America, anyone could come here and have a business. And this is something that, it's something that's kind of scary, because there's so much foreign money coming in. There's so many foreigners owning businesses, and they're not naturalized American citizens. Now, that's just something that I don't know. It's, it's a very sensitive topic, and I don't want to offend anybody, and I don't even know where I definitely stand on it, because personally I know people that have lived in China and they can't even own a house. Or if they do buy a house, it's on land, the government owns the land for 99 years. I believe it's a 99-year lease. It's a very gray area, but as a foreigner, you have no rights in China, But the rights that they're afforded when they come here, especially when it comes to business and, getting close with elected officials, very scary, guys. Very, very scary. But you know what? These scary things, these are an opportunity to make money. It's an opportunity for me, and it's an opportunity for you. If we read the signs, right? If you read the tea leaves, right? And you say, hey, this one lady is getting close with this one senator and she works for this company. You know what I mean? You have opportunities to read the tea leaves and make a lot of money. Oh, I don't know if you guys heard, Lockheed Martin went down 15% today. Right, I believe it was the quarterly earnings report. Big crash, Lockheed Martin. That's government contracts, boys. You think that's not going to go up? Woo! That's going to be an easy $50 a share, if you ask me, in the next 3 months. You know what I'm saying? Tesla hit $1,000, man. That's great. So many people made a lot of money on Tesla options, boy. I'm not a big options guy. I have some sundial options, but they're not amounting to a freaking hill of beans, man. Sundial might pull out a late home run, but I don't know. I'm kind of scared. We have the quarterly earnings report, I believe, coming up in a month for Sundial, so we'll see what happens. But if they don't get their numbers up, boy, they're gonna get delisted. You know what I'm saying? And that's that might happen. But we'll see. It'll probably be like what are they called? We'll have to buy it direct. Buy shares direct or something. You can't do that. You'd have to do that on Thinkorswim. But either way, God bless. Stay green. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.